I'm personal injury attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse Injury Law Group. Today we're discussing diminished value claims in California and what they mean for car owners who've been in an accident. Let's break it down. A diminished value claim is a way to recover the loss in your car's value after it's been repaired following an accident. Even if your car is fixed, it may still be worth less on the market because of its accident history. In California, you can file a diminished value claim against the at-fault driver's insurance company to recover this loss. There are three types of diminished value claims: immediate, inherent, and repair-related. Immediate diminished value refers to the loss in value right after the accident. Inherent diminished value is the loss in value due to the car's accident history, even after repairs. Repair-related diminished value occurs if the repairs were not done properly, further reducing the car's value. To file a claim, you'll need evidence, such as a professional appraisal or market analysis, to prove the car's reduced value. The process can be complex, and insurance companies often push back, so having strong documentation is key. If you've been in an accident and believe your car has lost value, you may be entitled to compensation. At Shouse California Law Group, we help car owners navigate diminished value claims and fight for what they're owed. Call us today for a free consultation at 877-466-7750.